Focusing now for a moment, though, on Dallas County, even more signs of real progress to report there, with some dramatic drops in new cases reported 2 days in a row now. Andrea Lucia spoke with the health director and also citizens about wearing masks.
It's been 1 month since Dallas County began requiring businesses mandate masks, and 3 weeks since the governor ordered they be worn in public.
So I've been wearing it everywhere I go.
Helen says she was surprised it took so long to catch on.
It's not a hard request to wear a mask.
Mohammed's family says they've become more consistent.
Since the cases started picking up, getting higher and higher every day.
And Dallas County may finally be seeing an impact. After reporting more than 1,000 new coronavirus cases for 18 days in a row, numbers over the last 2 days have dropped. Today, there were 413 new cases, fewer than half what we saw any day last week.
I mean, this is good. This is showing, hopefully, that, that people, complying and really using the cloth facial coverings and masks, that universal use, what we've been saying is that it can really make an impact and slow this down.
Dallas County Health Director Dr. Phil Huang cautioned against taking the numbers as a sign to relax our defenses.
And hopefully what we've learned is we can't let up.
Back in May, as businesses across Texas began reopening, Dr. Huang says behaviors changed.
And people started letting their guard down, started seeing the increased number of cases.
This time, he hopes people recognize what's working and stick with it.
If everyone does that, then it seems like this is a path for us to safely open up the economy.
Dallas County today also reported a record high number of hospitalizations and 30 new deaths attributed to the virus. That's the highest number in a single day so far. Dr. Huang, though, said that those numbers tend to trail what we're seeing in the case numbers, so they could drop soon, too, if people stay vigilant. Andrea Lucia, CBS 11 News.
Andrea, thanks so much. And looking at cases since the pandemic began, Tarrant County has seen roughly half the number of cases Dallas County has. And outside of Tarrant and Dallas counties, no other individual county has recorded more than 6,000 cases in total. Many of those, as we know, have since recovered as well. And the governor, in his conversation with Brooke earlier tonight, Brooke, bring you back in, he told you that he feels that these lower positive case numbers that we're seeing statewide, he feels in large part is a result of the mask order.
He does, Doug. That executive order requiring masks went into effect on July 3rd, so that's just a little bit more than 2 weeks ago. So the governor says the timing makes sense in terms of how long we may continue to have to wear facial coverings. He really didn't have a timeline for that.
Until we see medications, I think it will be essential for people to continue to wear a mask as they go to work, as they go to schools, as they go out into public.
Researchers at UNT Health Science Center who say masks work point out that they could help Texas avoid another shutdown, something certainly none of us would want to see. Doug?